Many months ago, a boy named Dewey Duff solved a Rubik's Cube. He kept doing it. He got better. For Christmas, he got a speed cube. He kept doing it, and then a few months later, he stopped. And he forgot a few algorithms, but now he is back. And he can solve the Rubik's Cube once again. Hello everybody, this is RUBIK'S here. Today guys, I've been wanting to do this video for a while. We're going to be solving the 3x3 Rubik's Cube. So, I know a few friends know that I can solve this, but for just new viewers or people that aren't actually my friends, I mean obviously everyone that subscribes, you're my friends. Thank you for liking the videos. Thank you for watching them. But, I mean, my friends at school, most of them know that I can solve this thing. So, guys, I'm going to be solving it on camera, and I'm going to be kind of showing you how I do it, and kind of showing you the algorithms. And then I'm also just going to be doing just a 5-second version of me just solving it. Because with time-lapse, it would look like I did it in like 10 seconds. So, obviously, you're just going to get a view of my hands, basically. Let's just mix this thing up. Now I am using a speed cube, so this might, I might be a little bit faster. So it is mixed up. So I'm not going to have a stop timer on this one, but I'll try to edit one in on the other one. So basically what I try to do first is I try to make a white cross. Because usually I always start on the white side. And so you have a white cross, you need to like line it up like this. And then we're going to actually make one side of it. Sorry, this isn't a tutorial. I'm just kind of showing how I do it. So then we have the side, and as you can see, it's all matching. And what we're going to do is we're going to solve this side. Now obviously I can probably solve one at like 1:40 as my fastest. I am not a professional at this at all, so I'm just average, as some people might say. Sorry if the view's kind of bad, but you know, it's really not that hard. When you get algorithms down, you can do it pretty easily. But I will do a fast version of me doing this, and I will actually I'm not going to be able to put it in the video, but I'll have a time of how fast it took me to do it. So, let's roll the fast version.